Welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ, and today we going to doing a video that is how can we create a developer edition Salesforce, or using which we can develop our any random functionality and test it out. It's for our practice. So in it we can create our LWC, Apex trigger, flows, or any other thing that is, or a component, even Visual Force pages. So first you can go to Google and then search for developer Salesforce login. I'll be clicking on it. Then you can click on this second URL, that is developer edition sign up. You will see this page, and if don't, then please go to the description. I'll be pasting the link, or in the first comment. You can fill out all these details, that is Trailhead, last name is Ranger NJ, will be giving our mail. Our job role is developer, and company name would be Salesforce. Country is India. State would be Delhi. Then postal code. Username, what we want to create here. And I'll click on this I agree. Let's click on sign me up. Let's wait for it. So now you would be receiving a mail which will be saying, I'll show you how you will be receiving the mail. In a mail stating welcome to Salesforce, verify your account, and here will be your username, and this will be your org URL. So you can click on this verify account button. When you will click on it, it will open up the org and give you a page where you have to set your password and answer for a security question. So let's set our password, and then in which city we have born, or any other security question as per your preference you can choose. Then click on change password, then we'll say never, then next, and here is our dev org created. So after that, this is it, that we have created our Salesforce developer org. And when you want to log in to it, you can just go to login.salesforce.url. Okay, let's go back, and again we'll Google it for login Salesforce and click on it. Then you can give your username and password. Let's try that. And we are able to log into it. So that's how we have created, and I'll be making another video that how we can authorize it to our VS Code, so we can have all our LWC or Apex figure, whatever we will be building, push into this org and test it out. So thank you, stay tuned, and if you like the video, please like it, subscribe the channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel to get more information like this, and get more informative videos. Thank you, stay tuned.